So we were talking, and we've kind of talked about this a little bit, but we were talking about the hitchhiker effect. Can you talk about that a little bit and what that is?
So the hitchhiker effect is where you walked into a geofence, you were targeted with an ad, and then you may see the ad on your phone, but then the next thing you know, your mom sees the ad, your dad sees the ad, your two brothers see the ad, but across all the devices in the house. So one of the things that this allows us to do is when we identify one phone, we anonymize it, and then that phone hitchhikes on to all the other devices in the house. So, and as you know, families tend to use laundromats together. They tend to use the same one. So the hitchhiker effect is something we kind of figured out. Like, hey, if we captured one device, why not try to get every device in the house? And that's something that we came up with. And the hitchhiker effect, do you ever watch Jeremy Corbell?
Yeah.
Yeah, so Jeremy Corbell, UAPs, alien technology. Barbara and I are always thinking like, what's the next level? How can we take this to the next level? And then I heard if you go to Skinwalker Ranch, are you familiar with Skinwalker Ranch? That's where they see all these UAP, UFO stuff.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
If you go to Skinwalker Ranch, a lot of these guys would take, I don't know if they're cursed or whatever, but they take these experiences back home to their families. It's pretty crazy. You should check out, is it The Hunt for Skinwalker or something? One of those documentaries on it, but it's pretty interesting. So that's how I came up with the idea of hitchhiking. Is like, wait, if it's a bad thing for these guys, but we can use if we can apply it to what we're doing, let's do it, and we have.
I love that is how you came up with this idea. This is,
Yeah.
I mean,
It's
great.
it's that UAP stuff, all that UFO podcast that I
Listen.
I
We're bringing
stay up late
alien
watching.
technology to laundromats. It's great.
That's right.
It's great.
See?
Hey man, aliens need laundry too.
Hey, everybody needs clean
It's
clothes.
got to
even
keep it
aliens.
clean.
You go through a wormhole, your laundry
That's
get
right.
dirty. It's
That's
gotta
right.
get done.
Hey, space
Little green
travel, you
Right.
gotta just, when you travel, you just gotta start clean, start fresh. I like that.